Hey there viewers, welcome to another amazing video of Health Shots. Are swollen feet slowing you down? Can you not fit into your favorite pair of shoes anymore? Do you often fail to recognize your ankle and feet when you look down at them because of the swelling? Believe it or not, you are not the only one facing the issue. This condition is called edema and it is widespread worldwide. The problem is that it can happen to anyone. It could be from long travels, surgery, or just because you have had a hard day. Stay tuned till the end because in this video we are going to talk about 9 tried and tested home remedies to fix edema. Hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos like this. Now let's get straight into the video. What is edema? Edema refers to swelling of the skin. It usually occurs when too much fluid gets trapped in the body tissues, particularly in the skin. There are many different causes and types of edema, such as pulmonary edema affects the lungs and pedal edema swells the feet. Edema starts slowly, but usually its onset is sudden and abrupt. Though it is a common issue faced mainly by pregnant women, it may also be a sign of some serious underlying conditions. It mainly affects the skin on the arm, hands, legs, ankles and feet, but may also affect lungs, eyes, muscles, brain and bowels. Who is at risk? Edema mainly affects older adults and pregnant women, but it would not be fair to say that it cannot affect others. Those who experience swollen feet experience slight pain, skin tightness and enlarged feet. Apart from stressed skin, those who have edema will notice that their skin retains a dimple when they press it for a few seconds. Moreover, it can cause puffiness around the eyes, face, ankles, stiff joints and bodily pain. Other noticeable symptoms of edema includes weight loss or weight gain, fuller neck and heart veins, high blood pressure, high pulse rate, abdominal pain, headache, vomiting, nausea, changes in bowel habits and visual oddities. What causes edema? Edema is the name given to the painless swelling of the skin tissue. It can be caused due to staying on your feet for a long stretch, wearing ill-fitted or too tight shoes, certain medical conditions like high blood pressure, excessive reliance on your unhealthy diet and pregnancy. Though edema can resolve on its own, some natural home remedies can help reduce and cure the swelling more quickly. Here are 9 home remedies for you to try at home. Number 1. Keep yourself hydrated. Although it seems counterintuitive, to deal with excessive fluid retention in body tissues, you should increase your fluid intake. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep yourself hydrated. When your body isn't hydrated, it will hold on the fluid that already present inside, thus contribute to swelling. Number 2. Epsom salt. Soaking your swollen feet in Epsom salt mixed in water can give you instant and lasting relief if it doesn't resolve the problem entirely. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which improves blood circulation in the body and reduces swelling. To use this remedy, mix up half a cup of Epsom salt in cold or warm water and soak your feet in this mixture for 10 to 20 minutes. Repeat this at least twice a week for optimal results. Number 3. Magnesium supplements. Though this remedy may not work for everyone, it can help most people suffering from edema. Magnesium deficiency can cause water retention in your body tissues. So it would really help if you increase your intake of magnesium-rich foods and supplements. Try adding almonds, cashew, tofu, broccoli, spinach, avocado and dark chocolate to your diet to alleviate edema symptoms. Or else you can include 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium supplements in your daily diet. But we would not suggest any particular supplements. Consult your doctor before adding anything new to your diet, particularly supplements. Number 4. Potassium-rich foods. Apart from magnesium, potassium deficiency could be a potential culprit behind edema. Wondering why? That's because lack of potassium in your body contributes to high blood pressure and water retention. So the wise thing to do is add foods containing tons of potassium, such as sweet potatoes, bananas, white beans, salmon, pistachio and chicken. Also switch to fresh orange juice and low-fat milk and ditch soda. However, if you are experiencing any medical conditions or facing kidney issues, contact your doctor before consuming too much potassium. Number 5. Be out and about. It would help if you got yourself moving a lot often than you usually do to fix edema. Sitting or standing in the same position for an extended period can cause swollen feet. So we suggest you try to move a bit every hour at work. Take a walk around the block at lunchtime, a lap around the office and flex your ankles and knees frequently. Number 6. Elevate your legs. Another great strategy to get rid of swollen feet is propping your legs up on a chair or ottoman. This position helps decrease swelling. Some yoga postures like lying on the floor with your leg raised against the wall can be helpful too. Number 7. Exercise regularly. Being in one place whether standing or in sitting position for too long increases water retention and swelling. it is imperative to move your knees and flex your ankles. Swimming is a fantastic option to soothe swelling feet. It is a non-weight bearing exercise, so you feel better even after a brief swimming session. Number 8. Lose weight. Being overweight can add to your worries if you have swollen feet, because it adds extra strain and weight to the already troubled feet. Moreover, it reduces blood circulation, that in itself is a significant cause of swollen feet. So if you are overweight, it would be a great idea to try to shed some extra pounds and get back in shape. Number 9. Use compression socks. Compression socks come in a wide range of compressions and weight. So start with the lighter options such as socks between 12 to 15 mm or 15 to 20 mm of mercury. You can easily buy compression socks from your local drugstore or a grocery store. And a bonus tip: if nothing else works, give your feet a 10-minute massage to help improve blood circulation and relax muscles. Massaging is a great way to activate the lymphatic system. When it is activated, excess fluids get expelled from your feet and swelling is reduced. But remember, you have to be gentle and not massage too roughly. Just stroke the feet towards your chest up with slight but firm pressure several times a day. So that's all for today, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this.